Have you ever looked up at the night sky and seen a bright star moving steadily across the darkness? That's not a star. It's the International Space Station, a beacon of human achievement orbiting our planet every 90 minutes. But it's so much more than just a satellite. It's a symbol, a promise, and a testament to what we can accomplish when we work together. The ISS is one of the most ambitious engineering projects ever undertaken. A floating laboratory the size of a football field. But what makes it truly extraordinary isn't just the technology, it's the people. Imagine this, astronauts from different countries, speaking different languages, living and working side by side in the harsh environment of space. The station was built and is operated by 5 major space agencies. NASA from the United States, Roscosmos from Russia, JAXA from Japan, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency. For over 2 decades, this international crew has been a constant presence above our heads. A quiet reminder that collaboration on a global scale is not just a dream, it's a reality. Down here on Earth, we see borders, we see divisions, we see conflicts, but from the windows of the ISS, none of that exists. Astronauts who have been there often talk about something called the overview effect. It's a profound shift in perspective that happens when you see our planet from space. From that vantage point, Earth is a breathtakingly beautiful, fragile blue marble, suspended in the vast blackness of the cosmos. There are no visible lines separating countries. You don't see politics or disputes. You just see one single shared home, our home. And it's a powerful realization that we're all in this together. Crew members on Spaceship Earth. This perspective is something the ISS gives us, a lesson beamed down from 250 miles above. It shows us that the things that unite us are far greater than the things that divide us. The science happening on board is just as inspiring. In the unique microgravity environment, researchers are making breakthroughs that benefit all of us back on the ground. They're studying diseases like cancer and osteoporosis, developing new materials, improving water purification systems, and monitoring our planet's climate with incredible precision. Each experiment is a piece of a larger puzzle, helping us understand our world, our bodies, and our place in the universe. This research isn't just for one nation. The discoveries are shared globally. It's science for humanity, powered by humanity. The station is a living, breathing example of how sharing knowledge and resources can accelerate progress for everyone. It proves that our collective brainpower is our greatest asset. But perhaps the most powerful message of the ISS is about the future. As we look towards sending humans to the moon again and eventually to Mars, the lessons learned from the International Space Station are invaluable. It's taught us how to build and maintain complex structures in space, how to sustain human life for long durations far from home, and most importantly, how to cooperate on missions that are too big for any single nation to tackle alone. The ISS is our first step, our training ground for becoming a multiplanetary species. It's the foundation upon which our cosmic future will be built. Orbit by orbit, the station carries a quiet message about who we are, a curious, resilient species capable of incredible things, and who we can become, a unified civilization reaching for the stars. So, the next time you spot that moving star in the night sky, remember what it represents. It's not just a piece of hardware. It's a floating embassy for planet Earth, a symbol of peace, unity, and our shared destiny. It reminds us that our future may depend not only on technology, but on our ability to come together as one. One planet, one station, one future. Thanks for watching. If this story inspired you, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. What does the ISS mean to you? Join the discussion in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.